Welcome to Excel Made Easy. Learning Excel can be quick, fun, and effective using explainer videos. In the previous video, we have learned Countif and Countifs formulas. Click on the link above if you have missed it. Today, we will learn Vlookup formulas. Peter, the sales manager, received a call from the finance manager informing him that there is a new price list released today. He wants to know the impact of the new price to his customers. He wonders what is the fastest way to pull the new price to his database. The answer is Vlookup. Let's see how it works. Let's understand the concept. The meaning of Vlookup is vertical lookup. As the name suggests, the formula will look for a data vertically from a table. Once it found the desired lookup value at the source table, it will pull the data and return it in the destination cell. Let's examine how to write the formula. Start the formula with equals Vlookup, open bracket, and then type the lookup values, which is the value we want to look for, followed by the range of table, then column index, and lastly, the match type. Let me explain each of the components of Vlookup formula. In this example, we need to type the formula in the destination cell under the column, New Selling Price. The lookup value is the new price, while the table is the new price list table itself. The column index is the number of columns in the new price list table. In this case, it is 2, as the new price is in the second column. The last item is to evaluate how accurate the lookup assessment should be. If we need an exact new price based on the item description, then we type false or 0. Otherwise type true or 1. Let's jump to Excel to see the demo. In this demo, the selling price data in the left table is outdated. We need to pull the new price data from the new price list in the right table. Go to cell G5, and type equals Vlookup, open bracket, select cell D5, as dark chocolate bar is the item we want to look for in the new price list data. Type comma, and select the table range from I5 to J9. Thereafter type 2, as the new price is in the second column, followed by the word false for exact match. Now, copy and paste the formula downwards. You see, Vlookup formula will pull data from a table based on the lookup value specified. Let's do a quick recap. Vlookup formula may look daunting at first as it has many components in the formula. But once you understand the logic, you will find it easy to remember. Always remember that the purpose of the formula is to pull, or extract data, from one place to another, based on a lookup value. The lookup value must always be in the first column of the table. The table must be arranged in vertical format. The column index is calculated from the left to right of the table. The match type will tell Excel how accurate the match assessment should be. If you need an exact match, type false, otherwise type true. Thanks for watching. Give me a like if you like this video. Don't forget to click on the subscribe and bell buttons below to get the easy and fast tips from Excel Made Easy.